Minasama konnichiwa. Kanji with Isvelu. Yokoso. Meaning of the kanji is 1. Stroke order 1. JLPT level N5. Onyomi. Ichi. Itsu. E. Small tsu. Kunyomi. Hito. Writing method. Example sentence. Koko kara otera made ippun desu. Koko kara otera made ippun desu. It's an 1 minute far from here to the temple. How to remember the kanji? 1 is represented by 1 finger. 1 is represented by 1 finger. Associate words. Ichi. Ichi. 1. Number 1. Hitotsu. Hitotsu. 1. Ichiji. Ichiji. 1 hour. Ippun. Ippun. 1 minute. Ichigatsu. Ichigatsu. 1 month. Ichinichi. Ichinichi. A day. Tsuitachi. Tsuitachi. Day 1. First day of the month. Hitori. Hitori. 1 person. Ichiban. Ichiban. Number 1. Best. Meaning of the kanji is 2. Stroke order 2. JLPT level N5. Onyomi. Ni. Kunyomi. Futa. Writing method. Example sentence. Kohi o futatsu kudasai. Kohi o futatsu kudasai. Can I have 2 cups of coffee, please? How to remember the kanji? 2 is represented by 2 finger. 2 is represented by 2 finger. Associate words. Ni. Ni. 2. Futatsu. Futatsu. 2. 2 pieces. Nigatsu. Nigatsu. February. Futari. Futari. 2 people. Futsuka. Futsuka. Second day of the month. 2 days. Hatsuka. Hatsuka. 20th day of the month. 20 days. Hatachi. Hatachi. Ni jussai. Ni jussai. 20 years old. Meaning of the kanji is 3. Stroke order 3. JLPT level N5. Onyomi. San. Kunyomi. Me. Me. Small su. Example sentence. Kazoku wa sannin desu. Kazoku wa sannin desu. There are 3 members in my family. How to remember the kanji? 3 is represented by 3 finger. 3 is represented by 3 finger. Associate words. San. San. 3. Mitsu. Mitsu. 3. Sanji. Sanji. 3 o'clock. Sangatsu. Sangatsu. March. Mikka. Mikka. The 3rd day of the month. 3 days. Sannin. Sannin. 3 people. Sansai. Sansai. 3 years old. Meaning of the kanji is 4. Onyomi, she. kunyomi, yo, yon, yo, small tsu. Stroke order 5 strokes. JLPT level N5. Example sentence. Nihon ni wa shiki ga arimasu. Nihon ni wa shiki ga arimasu. There are 4 seasons in Japan. How to remember the kanji? A rectangle has 4 corners. A rectangle has 4 corners. Associate words. Yotsu, yotsu, 4. Yoji, yoji, 4 o'clock. Shigatsu, shigatsu, April. Yokka, yokka, the 4th day of the month, 4 days. Yonin, yonin, 4 people. Yonensei, yonensei, 4th year student. Yonsai, yonsai, 4-year-old. Shiki, shiki, 4 season. Meaning of the kanji is 5. Stroke order 4 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi, go. Kunyomi, itsu. Example sentence. Ima nanji desu ka? Goji desu. Ima nanji desu ka? Goji desu. What's the time now? It's 5 o'clock. How to remember the kanji? How to make go? Kanji with 5 matchsticks. How to make go kanji with 5 matchsticks? Associate words. Go, 5. Number 5. Itsutsu, itsutsu, 5 pieces. Goji, goji, 5 hours. Gogatsu, gogatsu, May. Itsuka, itsuka, the 5th day of the month, 5 days. Gonen, gonen, 5 years. Gonin, gonin, 5 people. Gosai, gosai, 5 years old. Meaning of the kanji is 6. Stroke order 4 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi, roku, ro, small tsu. Kunyomi, mui, mu, mu, small tsu. Example sentence. Rokujikan benkyo shimashita. Rokujikan benkyo shimashita. I studied 6 hours. How to remember the kanji? This is how Chinese people show 6 with their fingers. This is how Chinese people show 6 with their fingers. Associate words. Roku, roku, number 6. Mutsu, mutsu, 6 pieces. Rupyaku, rupyaku, 600. Rokuji, rokuji, 6 o'clock. Roppun, roppun, 6 minutes. Rokugatsu, rokugatsu, June. Muika, muika, the 6th day of the month, 6 days. Meaning of the kanji is 7. Stroke order 2 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi, shichi. Kunyomi, nana, nano. Example sentence. Watashi wa shichigatsu ni umareta. Watashi wa shichigatsu ni umareta. I was born in July. How to remember the kanji? 2 plus 5 gives 7. Can you please see the picture? It represents 2 plus 5 gives 7. Associate words. Shichi, nana, 7, number 7. Nanatsu, nanatsu, 7 pieces. Shichiji, shichiji, 7 o'clock. Nanafun, nanafun, shichifun, shichifun, 7 minutes. Shichigatsu, shichigatsu, July. Nanoka, nanoka, the 7th day of the month, 7 days. Nananin, nananin, shichinin, shichinin, 7 people. Meaning of the kanji is 8. Stroke order 2 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi hachi ha small tsu. Kunyomi ya small tsu yo. Example sentence. Sangatsu yoka ni evento ga arimasu. Sangatsu yoka ni evento ga arimasu. There is an event on the 8th of the March. How to remember the kanji? This is the shape of katakana ha. This is the shape of katakana ha. Associate words. Hachi, hachi, 8, number 8. Yatsu, yatsu, 8 pieces. Happyaku, happyaku, 800. Hachiji, hachiji, 8 o'clock. Hachigatsu, hachigatsu, August. Yoka, yoka, the 8th day of the month, 8 days. Hachinin, hachinin, 8 people. Hassai, hassai, 8 years old. Yaoya, yaoya, greengrocer store. Meaning of the kanji is 9. Stroke order 2 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi Q, ku, kunyomi kokono. Example sentence. Kugatsu kokono ka ni matsuri ga arimasu. Kugatsu kokono ka ni matsuri ga arimasu. There is a festival on September 9th. How to remember the kanji? Can you do 10 push-ups? 7, 8, 9. Oh no. Can you do 10 push-ups? 7, 8, 9. Oh no. Associate words. Q, ku, 9, number 9. Kokonotsu, kokonotsu, 9 pieces. Kuji, kuji, 9 o'clock. Kugatsu, kugatsu, September. Kokonoka, kokonoka, the 9th day of the month, 9 days. Kyunen, kyunen, kunen, kunen, 9 years. Kyusai, kyusai, 9 years old. Kyunin, kyunin, kunin, kunin, 9 people. Meaning of the kanji is 10. Stroke order 2 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi Ju G small tsu Ju small tsu. Kunyomi To To. Example sentence. Gakko wa shigatsu 10日から始まります。学校は4月10日から始まります。School starts on April 10th. How to remember the kanji? Let's bind 10 sticks. Let's bind 10 sticks. Please associate this sentence with this image. Then you can easily remember the kanji. Associate words. Ju Ju To To 10 number 10. Juji Juji 10 o'clock. Juppun Juppun Jippun Jippun 10 minutes. Jugatsu Jugatsu October. Toka Toka the 10th day of the month. 10 days. Junin Junin 10 people. Jissai Jissai Jussai Jussai 10 years old. Jubun Jubun complete, sufficient, enough. Meaning of the kanji is 100. Stroke order 6 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi 100. Byaku Byaku Hya small tsu. There is no kunyomi for JLPT N5 level. Example sentence. Watashi wa kare kara 100 yen karimasu. Watashi wa kare kara 100 yen karimasu. I borrow 100 yen from him. How to remember the kanji? Please associate this sentence with this image. Turn 100 90 degrees to the right and it looks like hyaku. Turn 100 90 degrees to the right and it looks like hyaku. Associate words. Hyaku Hyaku 100. Nihyaku Nihyaku 200. Sambyaku Sambyaku 300. Rupyaku Rupyaku 600. Hapyaku Hapyaku 800. Hyakajiten Hyakajiten Encyclopedic Dictionary. Hyakaten Hyakaten Department store. Meaning of the kanji is 1000. Stroke order 3 strokes. JLPT level N5. Onyomi Zen Zen. Kunyomi Chi. Example sentence. Senkai Senkai means 1000 times. Kai means time. Sen means 1000. Senkai 1000 times. How to remember the kanji? Adding the slanting line to 10 makes 1000 a greater number. Adding the slanting line as per image. Adding slanting line to 10 makes 1000 a greater number. Associate words. Sen, sen, 1000. Nisen, nisen, 2000. Sansan, sansan, 3000. Hassan, hassan, 8000. Senyen, senyen, 1000 yen. Sennen, sennen, 1000 years. Sennin, sennin, 1000 people. Chibaken, chibaken, Chiba, prefecture. Meaning of the kanji is 10,000. Stroke order 3 strokes. JLPT level N5. Unyomi, man, ban. Kunyomi. There is no kunyomi for JLPT N5 level. Example sentence. Indo no Jinko wa 1000 man ijo de aru. Indo no Jinko wa 1000 man ijo de aru. India's population is over 10 million. India's population is over 10 million. How to remember the kanji? Please correlate the image with this sentence. 10,000 is a 5-digit number. 10,000 is a 5-digit number. Associate words. Ichiman, ichiman, 10,000. Juman, juman, 100,000. Hyakuman, hyakuman, 1 million. Mannen hitsu, mannen hitsu, fountain pen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.